Bro, when I figured this out, I honestly just wanted to film this. Oh, look how far! I'm using the grab and hold movement. It's like gorilla tag, but you don't even need to hit the floor. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is there somebody on the other side? I hit my finger. This up your ass. Oh my god, that was so cool. Side swipe. Bro's looking at me. Look at me. Shut up with your okay, man. Okidos. Chest. Ding ding. Where is he? I just broke, bro. One hand. Oh my god. Where's little kids are about to say something? Oh yeah, it's creative. I basically broke my finger. I hit it so hard. I have to redo this video. Actually, I'm not going to redo it. I'm just still going to continue. It's not even trying. Let's go!